Hello friends, good morning to all of you. How have you been? I hope that you are also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. This is Santanu in front of you once again. Today I will share one tip which are very important for speaking English. What is the secret of speaking English? Today I will share one tip. What is the secret of speaking English? There are four rules for speaking English. LSRW: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Four things are very important, and another part is very important. That is thinking. Thinking is also important. First of all, I am telling you reading. Reading is also important. Always you have to read every single day more and more. If you read one page or two pages, but always you have to read very carefully, and from those two pages always you have to select few sentences and few new vocabulary. Reading is also important. By reading you can learn so many new structure and so many new vocabulary. If you read every single day 5 minutes or 10 minutes, you can learn this language very easily. If you are good at reading, definitely you will learn this language very easily. And on the other hand, writing is also important. If you practice every single day, you will improve faster. If you have a habit of writing, you will improve faster. But most important part of practicing listening and speaking. Listening and speaking both are very important, because always you have to think in your childhood, how did you learn your native language? Always by listening and by speaking. That's why listening and speaking both are very important. Listening is an art. If you are a good listener, definitely one day you will be a good speaker. Every single day, always you have to listen more and more. For example, if you like watching any movie, if you like watching cricket match, always you have to listen in English. Whatever you like, always you have to listen in English. If you are a good listener, definitely you will be a master in English language. Always you have to listen in English. If you practice every single day, after 1 month and after 2 months, you will improve very fast. Listening is an art. First of all, you have to listen a lot. After that, always you have to speak. Maybe you have to listen around 10 minutes in the morning time and at least 10 minutes in the evening time. Listening is an art. And on the other hand, speaking is the most important. I noticed that in my locality, in my country, there are so many students. They are good at English grammar. They can read properly, they can write properly, they can also understand properly in English. But when it comes about speaking, they can't speak English properly. But what is the reason? Because they do not practice. They do not speak in English. Speaking is the most important part. Always you have to speak regular basis. Maybe minimum 10 minutes in the morning time and at least 10 minutes in the evening time. Always you have to speak. You can use the mirror technique. In front of the mirror, you can speak whatever you like. Maybe as far as I remember, when I started my English speaking journey, at that time in front of camera, I used to speak in my daily routine. Yeah, you can start your daily routine in front of camera, and speaking is the most important part. Always you have to speak. Otherwise, nowadays the social media is available, and everyone, maybe you have a smartphone, and in front of the smartphone you open your camera and start speaking. Just 3 seconds, 3 minutes or 5 minutes, start speaking English. After that, you have to record the video, and finally you have to watch very carefully where you have made the mistakes. Yeah, after that always you have to rectify. In this way also you can learn the language very easily. Yeah, but maybe while speaking English you make mistakes, but at the beginning time don't worry about making mistakes. Making mistake is the way of learning the language, and if you are making a mistake, that's why you don't make the video in front of the camera, but that is not good. Making mistake is the way of learning the language, and everyone makes mistakes. No one is perfect in this world. So making mistake is the way of the learning the language. Don't worry about making mistakes. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep recording the video, and after that always you have to watch very carefully. Speaking is the most important part. Who are beginner, who are learning the language, they are afraid of speaking English. That's why they are not speaking English. But it is not good. Always you have to speak regular basis. And the main thing is thinking. Another part is very important, that is thinking. Yeah, there are 4 parts: L, S, R, W: listening, speaking, reading and writing. But another part is very important, that is thinking. If you follow think in English, you can learn the language very easily. I follow these rules. Wherever I go and whatever I see, I always try to think in English. Yeah. And whatever you are doing in the whole day, always you have to watch, and always you have to learn in this way. I follow these rules. Think in English is very important. By practicing and by thinking, you can learn the language very easily. I follow these rules. Wherever I go, whatever I see, I always try to think in English. Yeah. And most important is practice. Every single day, always you have to practice regular basis. Without practicing, we cannot learn this language. Actually, reading is also another part, writing is also another part, and speaking is also another part. For speaking English, always you have to speak regular basis. All right, today, thank you. Take care. Bye bye. Have a good day.